How to convert your PDF files to PowerPoint presentations on iPhone, Android, and even your Windows PC. Converting PDF to PowerPoint allows you to effortlessly transform static PDF files into dynamic presentations, enabling you to add transitions, animations, and interactive elements. Just follow my steps and watch the video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. The very first step is to open the web browser on your device. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open Safari, but you can use Chrome or whatever you want. The next step is to go to google.com and type PDF to PowerPoint in the search bar. And then you want to open this specific website. I'll leave the website link in the description of this video so you can open it from there. When you open the website, click here and then upload your PDF file which you want to convert. Now click on this convert button right here and wait a couple of seconds. Now download your converted PowerPoint presentation. And that's how you can convert your PDF files to PowerPoint. Thanks for watching and see you soon.